This is Gilbert, and I'm the Chief Agronomist for AG Africa, producers of organic farming aid. Organic farming aid is a multi-purpose agro input that can be used for several purposes in farming enterprise, right from the nursery to transplanting to farm establishment to growth and yield, as well as harvesting and improving shelf life. Organic farming aid is unique because it is multi-purpose. But first of all, before I move on, organic farming aid is locally produced in Ghana here. So in terms of quantity and assurance, we can produce it for you in Ghana here. And also for the uses, as I said earlier, it can be used as an organic fungicide. We can also use it to control nematodes as well. Now, it's also a biostimulant. That is, it helps the plant to be able to utilize efficient moisture and that of nutrients. The good thing about this product is that it is not restricted to a particular stage of plant growth, from nursery to the growth stages to the yield. Everything can be used for OFA. So OFA is multi-purpose, and it's also very, very cost effective, and it can be used to mix other products such as fertilizer and selective weedicide. Products have been in existence for the past 6 years, and we've introduced it gradually into the Ghanaian market. We've been measuring yield data as well as productivity data, and realized that especially this year when we had the drought issues, all the farmers who applied organic farming aid to their crops are giving good testimony that despite the negative effect of the drought or lack of rains, when they were able to apply the OFA, they were able to get some appreciable amount of yield compared to those farmers who didn't apply any organic farmer at all. If you want to use it for your nursery, we advise that you take 1% solution. That is, you take 10 ml of OFA into 10 liters of water, you mix it to get a solution, and you sprinkle your seeds and you leave it to dry before it is nursed at the nursery. Now, at the nursery, before transplanting, you can prepare a transplanting solution. That is, you treat the seedlings before you transfer it onto the food. Usually that one, we advise that you use 20 ml for 15 liters of water for that of vegetables. For tree crops, we advise that you use 75 ml for 15 liters of water as transplanting solution to treat the seedlings before they are transplanted onto the food. Now, we have category of crops. We have the cereals over there, we have the legumes, we have the vegetables. Every specific crop and its specific dosage that is required. So we have a comprehensive application with a technical document that it depends on each crop and each stage and the purpose of application. From the forum over here, we realize that the farmers are giving good testimonies about the products. That is, in terms of it helps them to fight pests and diseases. It helps them to get more per the same acre of land. It also helps to improve the quality of their produce as well. OFA is effective in controlling soft-bodied pests, particularly in fall armyworm in maize. It is effective in controlling fall armyworm in maize and all other soft-bodied pests such as caterpillar that affect the crops as well. Organic farming aid can be an ideal strategy to help farmers to adapt to climate change, particularly because organic farming aid helps the plant rooting system to be well established. Once these rooting systems are well established, in case there is the presence of drought, the root system of the plants are able to seek for further moisture on their own to help as well. And also, organic farming aid has helped to reduce the maturity period of crops, which means when there is limited amount of moisture present in the soil, the crop will be able to effectively utilize the crop, thereby reducing the period at which the plant is subjected to the drought stress on the food as well. And also, from presentations from the forum also indicated that OFA helps to utilize moisture and soil nutrients. These key two parameters are very, very important for the crop if they are going to resist the negative effects of drought or water stress on the plant. So when it doesn't rain, usually we have water in the soil, but it is beyond the reach of the soil roots. So one good thing is that OFA helps the roots of the soil to be well established, which means as an adaptive mechanism, the roots of the plant can seek for water and nutrients on their own due to their improved growth of the seedlings of the roots. Yeah, because there's water in the soil, but it's beneath the reach of the plant. So once OFA helps to reduce the negative effect on the stress on the plant itself, as well as it helps to improve the plant adaptation mechanism, that is extending of the roots for nutrients and water uptake. But it is strictly organic, 100% organic and locally produced in Ghana. No, it's not used for, but it is not poisonous. Yeah. It's not poisonous. Yeah. No, there's no health impact. It's actually wood vinegar, which historically has been used to preserve food, so it is not harmful to human consumption. Yeah.